Dear students, listen to me. Now we are seeing next part. Okay, the civilizations. Now we are saying about the ancient civilizations, Egyptian, Mesopotamian, Chinese, and the Indus were the important early civilizations and important ancient civilizations. Okay, while these civilizations flourish in certain regions, so these civilizations is very flourished in more places, and people in other parts of the world live hunter gatherers and pastoralists. The hunter gatherers and pastoralists maintain their relationship. So hunters and gatherers and pastoralists and maintain their relationship. So and these peoples and maintaining their relationship with these civilizations through interactions. Okay, their history is also equally important. During the time of these civilizations, South India witnessed the emergence of Neolithic agro pastoral communities and pastoral communities peoples, and after microlith form of life by hunter gatherers. So microlith means, and micro means small stone age. Okay, so Mesolithic period and also and microlith form of life by hunters and gatherers. Okay, so next one, Egyptian civilization. Egyptian as one of the oldest civilization, the Egyptian civilization. Okay, so already I told Egyptian and Egypt, Mesopotamia, Chinese, Indus, and important early civilizations. Okay, so first one of the oldest civilization, also known as the Egyptian civilizations. Okay, and this civilizations is known for its monuments, architecture, agriculture, art, science, and graft at a very early age. Okay, so this time, so civilization means a system of social advancement. Okay, so this time monuments and நினைவுச்சின்னமான அந்த கட்டிடக்கலை. Next one, agriculture. Next, art. Next one, science. Next one, graft at a very early age. So this time is and develop all the one. Next one, geographical conditions. Okay, Egypt lies in the northeastern corner of the African continent. So this Egypt lies in the northeastern corner of the African continent. Okay. Dear students, you see the map, and Egypt lies in the northeastern corner of the African continent. So it is founded by the Red Sea on the east and Mediterranean Sea in the north. Okay, so next map, Red Sea, and it is founded by the Red Sea on the east and the Mediterranean Sea in the north. Okay, so Egypt is irrigated by the river Nile. Okay, so which originate in Lake Victoria. So which originate Lake Victoria. Egypt lies in the northeastern corner of the African continent. It is founded by the Red Sea on the east, Mediterranean Sea in the northern side. Egypt irrigated by the river Nile, which originated Lake Victoria in the south flow. So this water and in the southern flows to the Mediterranean Sea, join the Mediterranean Sea. Okay, sea in the north. Desert are seen on both sides of the Nile River. Okay, so this desert. So desert are seen on both sides on the river and Nile River. Okay, so Egyptian civilization dependent civilization depended solemnly upon the flow of Nile River. Okay, so civilization peoples maximum depend upon the Nile River, and hence Egypt was called as the gift of Nile. So hence civilization is also known as gift of Nile by the Greek historian Herodotus. Okay, Greek historian Herodotus. Egypt was nourished by the river Nile. Okay, so Egyptian civilization depended upon the wealth of the river Nile. Okay, so Egyptian civilization depend upon the wealth of the river Nile. So Nile River deposited Nile River deposited fresh alluvium every year. ஸோ இந்த வண்டல்மண்ங்கிறத அது என்ன பண்ணுறது, டெபாசிட் பண்ணுது, ஹெல்ப் டு ப்ரொடியூஸ் சர்ப்ளஸ் supporting the civilization and served as a means transport. The Nile Valley is very rich and fertile as the river deposit from alluvium every year. This alluvium nurtured agriculture and helped to produce surplus food grains, leading to development of Egyptian civilization. So this place is available water. So and is produce surplus of food grains, leading to the development of Egyptian civilization. The dry regions on both sides of the desert regions having. So however remain desert. Okay. However remain the desert. The dry regions on both sides. The dry regions on both sides of Niles. However they remain desert. So Egypt became intimately connected with the Sangam age. So this civilization and also connected with the Sangam age, Tamilagam by the sea route. Okay. Next one, Hyksos. Hyksos were the rulers of the 15th dynasty. So next one, this dynasty. So now we are saying about the dynasty. Okay. So the Hyksos were the rulers of the 15th dynasty of Egypt. So Egyptian civilization 15th dynasty, his name is Hyksos. They were probably from West Asia. Next one, Persians. So Persians are the people from the region of Persia, the ancient Iran. இவங்க எங்கே இருந்தாங்கன்னா ஈரான்லேருந்து வந்தாங்க. ஓகேயா. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், Greek refers to the language and people of modern day. So nowadays and this place name is nation state of Greece in Europe. Okay. So modern day nation state of Greece in Europe. Next one, Rome refers to the ancient Roman Empire. Okay. Rome refers to the ancient with the earliest time, ancient Roman Empire, which had its capital the city of Rome in Italy. So Italy capital city அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் என்னன்னா Rome. Okay. Thank you.